The Aloe Restaurant in Edison, New Jersey is not your typical eatery.
Hello, welcome to the Aloe Restaurant. Please, follow me. Enjoy.
All right, guys, who can remember from last week what temperature is internal temperature of chicken? RJ.
165.
Beautiful. Good job.
It's a restaurant and school in one.
All right. So when you hold a beverage tray, when you're serving somebody, always hold it away from them so you don't spill drinks on them.
Chef Ralph Amiano is the instructor.
I work with great people, and the students inspire me daily.
For Ralph, cooking is in his blood.
It brings people together, as I call it. So when I grew up in a big Italian family, every Sunday was dinner at Nana's house. Regardless of your plans, drop your plans, we're going to Nana's house on Sundays.
For nearly 40 years, Ralph worked in the food service industry, successfully running his own restaurant. Then,
I wanted to try something different out of my realm, something challenging. I thought, why not take all my years of experience and teach the youth how to cook? So guys, when you clear tables, you always want to reach in with your left hand, pull it away from the person, always ask if they're finished first before removing their plate.
Ralph applies his decades of experience and skills teaching in the culinary program at the MTC-operated Edison Job Corps Center in New Jersey. The Aloe Student Restaurant was his idea.
It's a restaurant. It's a full restaurant. We serve bread and butter. We make the butter homemade. Everything in here is made from scratch. The pepper, instead of cutting it down the middle and taking all the seeds out, we're going to eliminate seeds. We're full on Fridays. We have rolling open on Friday afternoons. We have 11 o'clock, a 12 o'clock, and a 1 o'clock. So we do 3 seatings on Friday. We are booked for reservations. We're going to go into a large dice. Just want to cut the pepper in half. That's your medium dice. That's your small dice. This is your julienne cut. Yes, it is about knife skills. Yes, it is about sanitation. Yes, it is about cross-contamination and safety. But there's more to food service about that. Learning how to deal with people, learning how to talk to people. Hand them the menu, correct?
For Ralph, his students' success is his joy.
Beautiful. Proud is an understatement. These students come here every single day with a smile on their face, regardless of what they've been through or what they're going through in their life. And it's humbling to see that they put 100% in every single day.